Hello, welcome to WMW's weekly newscast, bringing you the global waste management headlines. Coming up, 3 megawatt wood waste pyrolysis plant planned for Perth, Australia, new equipment at Sims precious metal facility in Illinois, Toyota hybrid battery reuse project to power Yellowstone Park, and attack of the drones coming to a landfill near you. Australian pyrolysis equipment manufacturer ANZAC is planning to develop a 13,000 tonne per year wood waste pyrolysis plant at the Hazelmere Timber Recycling Centre in Perth. The facility is to be developed in partnership with the Eastern Metropolitan Regional Council and the University of Western Australia. According to ANZAC, once complete, the facility will produce around 3 megawatts of electricity by using the pyrolysis gas to fuel reciprocating engines. Danny Griffin, General Manager of ANZAC, explains.
Pyrolysis and incineration are very different. Pyrolysis is the thermal treatment in the absence of oxygen. Let's remember the fire triangle. You need fuel, you need ignition, and you need oxygen. That gives us fire and combustion. But in pyrolysis, it's very different. We remove the oxygen. We don't allow the oxygen to get into that large rotating heat tube. In the case of pyrolysis, and this particular project at Hazelmere, we're taking a current waste product that would otherwise end up in landfill, and over years and decades would emit and decompose and emit its gases in a very uncontrolled way in a landfill. We're taking that waste product and using it as a fuel. We're using it in a pyrolysizer that evolves those gases, those fuel gases that can be used in a conventional piston engine to produce electricity.
Sims Recycling Solutions has installed additional shredding and sampling equipment at its precious metal sampling facility in Franklin Park, Illinois. The company explained that collected waste materials which contain precious metals, mostly printed circuit boards, go through 2 rounds of shredding and sampling at the plant. Once shredded, the precious metal components are roasted, melted and assayed before continuing the refining process. Sims said that the new equipment adds an additional layer of shredding and sampling, making the sample materials needed significantly smaller. As a result, downstream processes are said to be more economical and processing time more efficient. Toyota is reusing batteries from end-of-life Camry hybrid vehicles in a scheme that will power the Lamar Buffalo Ranch campus in Yellowstone National Park. The company said that the system will feature 208 used nickel metal hydride battery packs and offer a total storage capacity of 85 kilowatt hours. Solar panels and micro-hydro turbines will be used to produce the electricity. Toyota explained that while the batteries used in the system are no longer up to the rigours of life in a motor vehicle, they have plenty of life left in the tank for their new role. According to the car maker, this type of reuse is expected to double the overall lifespan of the batteries. Lehmann Aviation has launched a cut-price, modified version of its unmanned autonomous aircraft for scanning landfill sites. Originally unveiled back in 2013, as seen here, the LA300 makes use of smartphones and tablets to produce and execute its mission plans. The company said that the aircraft is capable of creating coordinate-positioned set of aerial photographs known as orthomosaics, as well as mapping and digital elevation modelling. Using these techniques, Lehmann claimed that the vehicle can help calculate landfill capacity from the air. This is said to be both faster and more precise than traditional measurements taken on the ground. The drone flies at a range of up to 15 kilometres and at speeds of 20 to 80 kilometres per hour. For WMW, I'm Ben Messenger. Thanks for watching.